Have you been thinking about getting into Web3 gaming but don't know where to start? I got you! Hi, I'm Kuku Crypto TV. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started with GAP, step by step. Let's go! Alright, first things first, you need a YGG account. Super easy. Just head over to the YGG website and click Create Account. Pop in your email, set a strong password, and boom! You're in! Now, before you do anything else, let's connect a wallet. Now, this part is important. You'll need a crypto wallet to claim rewards later. If you already have one, just connect to your YGG account. It's that simple. No wallet? No worries! I recommend setting up MetaMask or Ronin wallet. It's beginner friendly. And here's a quick tip. Keep a little bit of crypto in there to cover gas fees when claiming rewards. Trust me, you don't want to get stuck when it's time to cash out. Alright, for the fun part, your first quest. Go to the quest tab and you'll see a bunch of available quests from different blockchain games. Start with an easy one for this season. Something quick and fun to get you going. Follow the steps, complete the task, and submit your progress. Simple, right? The more you play, the more quests you unlock, and the better rewards you get. That's it! You're officially on your Web3 gaming journey. Ready to start? Sign up on Guild Games now, and let's get grinding. Oh, and don't forget to follow YGG socials for all the latest updates. See you there!